So the guidelines for tonight's attempt state that all the participants must have full zombie face paint. This includes a white face, dark eyes, and some form of red somewhere on the face.
I normally do my own. Again, when I started doing this, I was worried about just going around to play it comes up the same thing.
It's a passion. We love films about zombies. It's an opportunity to get outside of a normal everyday life.
That's the reason I'm here. I wanted to show off my work, I wanted to be part of it, and hopefully if we get the world record I can say, you know, I was part of that, I was there.
What's the official figure? I think the official count tonight was around 1,500, unfortunately.
Poor show.